Today, we're going to learn how to host your website on GitHub for free. It's easy, quick, and cost-free. Let's get your site online in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to github.com to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, create your repository by clicking the plus button in the top right corner, then select New Repository from the drop-down menu. Now, give your repository a name, like My Website, or choose any name you prefer. And make sure the visibility is set to public so anyone can view it. Once you're ready, scroll down and click Create Repository. Now, let's upload your website files. In your repository, click Add File, then choose Upload Files. Once all your files are uploaded, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Now, we'll set up GitHub pages to serve your website. Go to the Settings tab of your repository. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. Here, select Main Branch if it's not already selected. Finally, click Save, and your website will be live. The link will appear like this. To view your website, simply click the Visit Site button. And that's it. You've successfully hosted your website on GitHub for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.